How to log in Instagram if you forgot your password without email and phone number. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Chrome browser on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, all you need to do is just tap on the search bar and search for Instagram support over here. Here, tap on Instagram Help Center. And as you tap on Instagram Help Center, all you need to do is just tap on the search bar and search for forgot password. So as you search for it, you can see different options over here. So you can just tap on recover your Instagram password over here. As you do that, you can see the option of forgot password and the different steps that you can do. But if you're not able to reset your password, tap on visit this page. So just tap on visit this page. As you tap on visit this page, it will land us to a new page. So here you can see why can't you get into your account. So all you have to do is tap on I forgot my password. So tap on next. And as you tap on next, it will land us to a new page. So make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. So all you have to do is, in order to find your account, you just have to mention either your username, email ID or your phone number. So I'm going to just mention the email ID and then tap on next. So here it says please wait a few minutes before you try again. So you just have to wait for a little while and then try again, and then you'll be able to get the account that you can find via your email ID over here, and you can just tap on it and reset your password, and that's how you'll be able to log in on Instagram if you forgot your password with that email and phone number. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.